Hello world, my name is Tavane Hunter. At an early age, I have been struggling with many challenges in life with autism. I tried to do something for fun as a way to be able to communicate in a proper way. Please stay tuned, and you're now listening to Hunts for Life. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We will be showing you how to make mouth-watering banana pancakes. They're fluffy, flavorful, and perfect for a lazy weekend breakfast. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you will need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 ripe bananas, 3/4 cup of almond milk, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and vegetable oil or butter for frying. The first thing that you will need to do is to place the ripe bananas into the bowl like this one. First, you're going to peel them and place them on the bowl. Then you smash them with the fork until they are smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to add the dry ingredients into the bowl. Combine the all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix them together until well combined. Now, let's add the wet ingredients to the mashed bananas. Pour in the milk, crack in the egg, and add the vanilla extract. Give it a good stir until everything is nicely incorporated. Then you'll combine the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Stir gently until the batter is just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are absolutely fine. Preheat the non-stick
pan or griddle over medium heat. To ensure our pancakes don't stick, we'll lightly grease the surface with butter or oil. You can use a brush or a folded paper towel to spread it evenly. Now, use a ladle or a measuring cup. Pour about a quarter cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Spread them out, as they'll spread a bit while cooking. Keep an eye on the pancakes as they cook. Once you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges started to set, it's time to flip them over. Gently slide a spatula under the pancake and flip it. Cook for another minute or so until the other side turns golden brown. Once cooked, transfer the pancakes to a plate. You can keep them warm by placing the plate in a preheated oven at a low temperature. Look at these beauties, soft, fluffy, and full of banana goodness. Now you can enjoy them as they are, but feel free to get creative with toppings. Some popular options include fresh berries, sliced bananas, maple syrup, honey, or even a dollop of whipped cream.
Delicious.
These banana pancakes are a perfect way to start your day. So gather your ingredients, fire up your stove, and give them a try. Your taste buds will thank you. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this banana pancake recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!